Hello children, I'm glad to see you all again. Today's topic is 3-letter words of egg family. Egg. Egg. Let's start the session. Egg. 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 Leg. Egg. Peg. Let's look into some more words of egg family. Egg. Beg. Egg. Keg. Egg. Leg. Egg. Peg. Read with me. Egg, beg, keg, leg, peg. Now your turn to read. Excellent reading, kids. Bye-bye. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video updates. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.